LRK series Micro PLCs have a front slot for a micro SD card, which can be used to back up the program or for data logging, to record the trend of variables at set time intervals. To configure the data log function, insert the micro SD card in the front slot when the LRK is powered down. Power up the Micro PLC, connect it to the LRX-SW software, and create a new project. To create a new data log, click on an LG log block and add it to the project. On the configuration page, select the Micro PLC variable to associate with the LG01 block. Analog input A01, for example. You can create up to 15 LG blocks. Each block samples a specific Micro PLC variable. Now, set the data log sampling time. Add a timer on the first line in pause work mode. In the timer configuration window, set the on and off times, which represents the data log sampling interval. To record a sample every 10 seconds, for example, set an on time of 1 second and an off time of 9 seconds, like this. Now connect timer T01 to a support marker, for example M01 configured in flip-flop mode. On the next line, connect marker M01 as enable of the LG01 block and reset M01 in parallel. This step allows you to save one record only for each activation of timer T01. The Micro PLC runs extremely fast, and this avoids generating multiple records. Before writing the program, synchronize the date and time of the LRK with the date and time of the PC. In the Operation RTC Set menu, click the PC Clock button. Write the project to the LRK and put it in run mode to start recording data. To export saved data, put the Micro PLC in stop mode. Turn the power off and remove the Micro SD card from the front slot. Insert the card into an adapter and connect it to your PC to read the contents. On the card, you will find a file, which is generated automatically on a daily basis. It contains the records saved by all the project LG blocks. The first column shows the sampling time interval, while the registered variables and the related sampled value are shown in the columns on the right. To keep the date and time of the Micro PLC always up to date, we recommend installing an optional CR1220 type battery in the appropriate rear slot of the LRK.